You don't have a motivation problem. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a self-betrayal problem. And it started the first time you broke a promise to yourself and told yourself it didn't matter. Most men think their biggest enemy is laziness. It's not. It's the weight of every broken commitment you made to yourself. Every small promise you break sends one message to your subconscious. You cannot be trusted. Not by anyone. Not even yourself. And after enough of those messages, you stop making promises at all. Not because you're lazy, because you've learned not to believe yourself. Think about the last time you said, "I'm going to change." Did you feel it? That small voice that whispered, "Yeah, we'll see." That voice is you, the version of you that's been lied to too many times. By you. Self-trust is built exactly like trust between people. Slowly. Through kept promises, through showing up when you said you would. And it's destroyed the same way, one small betrayal at a time, until the man in the mirror becomes a stranger. The gap between who you are and who you want to be isn't filled by motivation. It's filled by keeping your word when no one is watching. You don't need a new life. You don't need a transformation. You need one promise today, and you need to keep it. Because the man who keeps his word to himself, even when it's hard, even when no one sees, that man becomes unbreakable. You don't need more motivation. You need to become someone you can trust again. That's the real work. Every day you keep that promise. You rebuild, brick by brick, rep by rep, day by day. The man comes back. The man you want to become is waiting. He's not waiting for the right moment. He's waiting for you to stop lying to him. Make one promise today, keep it, then make another tomorrow. That's how you become a man who trusts himself again. Stop breaking promises to yourself. The most important relationship you will ever have is the one with the man in the mirror.